갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva. So guys, if today is your first time of passing by, please do subscribe, join the family. And to my old subscribers, guys, I'm so sorry. I know that I've not been so faithful. Okay, it has been long, right? It has been long. I dropped video apart from this recent one. I'm just dropping now. I'm so sorry. I've been busy with formulations, and I'll be busy with my training, and busy with my clients. So guys, if you want to join my training, you are free to join my training. Okay, it's not that cost, it's cheap. Even if it is cost, it's worth it. Okay, even if it is cost, it is worth it, because at the end you're going to use it to have money. You're going to use it to make formulations, good formulations that you're going to be selling to your client, and you're not going to be having stress with your clients that like your product is not working and stuff like that. Okay, so you can join my training class now. I'm doing 50% discount. Okay, so don't miss this chance, guys. Do not miss this chance. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a perfect flawless face cream. Okay, yes, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a face cream, simple face cream at home, very simple face cream at home. And this face cream is going to clear your face if you're having spots on your face. Okay, if you're having spots on your face, if you want to have a smooth face, and it is very cheap, you're not using too much, you are not using too much. Okay, it is very cheap. You're not using too much of ingredients, so this ingredient you can get them in the market. Simple, very cheap, but this product, it is really effective, and I want you all to try it and come and leave your comments below the comment section, and make sure to watch this video from the starting to the ending. Share this video, guys. Share this video. Follow my Instagram page, guys. Okay, so guys, here are the products that you'll be needing to make your face cream. So I'm going to explain, like I'm going to introduce the products to you first, and later I'm going to tell you how you can use them to make a simple face cream for yourself at home. Okay, so guys, the first product here we have is Zero Spots. If you have used this Zero Spots before, if you're a fan of this Zero Spots, please leave your comment section. Leave your comment on the comment section. Yeah, this product is great when it comes to having this flawless face without spots. This product is great. It's small. This is just 16 ml. It's very small. Like if you want to add this inside your lotion, you can use about 2 to 3. So you get it. It's expensive. It's small. If you want to maybe like make a lotion of 500 ml, you can add like 3 of this inside. Okay, so it's kind of expensive, but if you want to make a face cream, this is nice. This is for spot. It helps to diminish your spots on your face, and it helps to give you this lightening effect. So this is Zero Spots. We also have the one that is made with carrots. This one is made with egg yolk. So for me, I prefer using this one. I haven't used the carrot anyway. Carrot has this great lightening effect. We all know carrot has this great lightening effect, but I don't know why I love this one so much anyway. I don't know why I love this one so much. So I believe the one of carrots will still be doing the same thing as this one, but this is the one that I'll be using. Okay, this is the one I'll be using, and this is the one I'm selling. I can speak of this, but I know that one of carrot is still good, just that I have not used it. Okay, this one is perfect for your face. Perfect for your face. This is made with fruit acid, and this product is very acidic, guys. Okay, if you check the pH of this product, I think the pH should be like 3 to 4, like that. So it is very acidic, so it helps to clear out your spot. It helps to give this flawless face. Okay, so if you're using this product to make a face cream, you have to make sure that your face cream is going to end up acidic, because if your face cream end up not being acidic, meaning this product is not working, it's not going to work inside the face cream that you actually made. Okay, so if you're using this product to make a face cream, Any product that you want to add to it should be also acidic, okay? Should be also acidic. Like I said, don't mix product that is high of pH and product that is low of pH together. This product is between 3 point something to 4. So if you're adding it with another product, it should be product that is also a little bit less, like from 0 to 5, like that, okay? From 0 to 5, from 0 to 6, like that. So okay, from 0 to 7, like that, okay? So, and this is the first product, and the other product is Koji Clear Lemon Lord. This is my best product. This is my best selling product. I said these things, I sell them. So I have a client that is always buying this product. Anytime she buy my product, she always buy like 10, 15. I sell on eBay. So she's always living like, this product has helped me a lot. This product has helped me a lot. So she's always buying much. I was like, is she buying and reselling? I really don't know what she's using it anyway, because she always buy this product. Anytime she buy, because I'm used to her name, anytime she buys something on my eBay, I'll say, this person again. She always buy a lot. So I think maybe she's missing it into a lotion, or she's missing it into a face cream. I don't know what she's doing with it anyway, but this product is great for your face, okay? I haven't used it to mix any lotion yet, but for the face is perfect. It helps to clear your face. It gives your face this smooth feeling like spot. It helps to target spots, and it gives your face this yellowish skin tone. This product is really, really great. And please, if you want to use this product directly on your face, skip the sun. In fact, don't use it during the day. Use it at night only. Even the other products, this one, if you want to use it directly on your face, please skip this one. I will not advise you to use directly on your face because it's kind of strong, okay? It's kind of strong. The pH level of this product is too acidic. This one is normal, okay? So if you want to use them directly on your face, please keep the sun, or better still, use them at night. It's better that way. Don't use it at morning time. Then at the end of the day, you put your face on the sun. If you're in Nigeria, you go to market, you go here, you go to school, you go there, and your face is going to burn. Trust me, it is really going to burn. So be mindful of what you apply on your face directly. And mostly for me, if I want to apply things on my face, I do them at night. I can even stay morning time. I will just take my bath, not applying anything. But at night, I will apply something. And even the product you apply on your skin at night work better, work faster than the one you applied during the daytime. Because at the daytime, you apply things on your skin, and you have to be doing one or two things, stressing your skin, stressing your body, and stuff like that. No, these products will not really have time to work. But at night, you take your shower and you apply your stuff on your skin. You allow it to dry on your skin for like 30 minutes. You go to your bed and sleep to the next day. You see this product will have time to work on your skin perfectly, okay? So this product is good, and this one is good. So now I'm going to tell you how you're going to use them to make a simple face cream recipe, okay? So guys, if you are always I don't know, like I have done a lot of base cream here on my YouTube channel. Yes, I have done a lot of base cream here on my YouTube channel. So I believe most of you already know how to make a base cream. And if you don't know how to make a base cream, check my videos. You will see a lot of how to formulate a base cream. It's simple. Base cream, what do you need? You need your water. Not tap water, please. And not drinking water, mineral water, no. So you need your water. You need your emulsifying wax. And you need your stearic acid. And you need your oils. Shikina, and you also need your preservative, shikina. So you're not adding anything like additive, just wax, stearic acid, your oil, and your water, and your preservative. Make a simple base cream. Just make like 200 grams. Keep it inside your fridge, or you can keep it anywhere. Just make sure that you added preservative to it. So whenever you want to use your face cream, you want to make a face cream for yourself at home, like instead of trying to buy face cream from sellers, and at the end maybe your face is going to get damaged, or maybe the face cream will not work on your face. You know, there are some things like that. So you get like 50 ml, okay? Get 50 ml of your pure base cream. After you finish making your pure base cream, you get 50 ml of your pure base cream. Remember, this is a base cream without any additive, no powders, nothing. Get 50 ml, and you get half of this cream. Okay, you get half. This one is a cream. I think this is about 50. Yeah, this is 15 grams. So you use half of this one, which is 25 grams. You add half of this to your base cream. Okay, get 50 ml of your base cream and take half of this one, mix it with your base cream. Okay, and this one is 60 ml. You take half of this one, like just take half from, like you can take two bottles, then 2 spoons of this. This is 60 ml, and also mix it together. 3 of these products, 50 ml of your base cream, half bottle of this one, and then half of this one. Mix it together with your base cream. Okay, and you can add your vitamin E oil to it. Just vitamin E, don't add extra oils, guys. Trust me, too much of oil is not good on your face. It's going to clog your pores, especially if you're not using the right face oil. Okay, so you get half of this. You get half of this 50 ml of your base cream. Add your add your vitamin E oil to it, mix it thoroughly, and you have your face cream. It's a simple recipe, guys. Simple recipe that you use in your house. You don't have to stress yourself thinking of, I want to buy face cream. Oh, madam, is this face cream good for my face? This one is simple. Okay, very simple. And do not add additional preservative. Okay, because your base cream that you made earlier, you have already added preservative. So for this one, you're not adding anything like preservative. Okay, so I'm going to repeat again. 50 ml of your base cream, half bottle of this one, which is the zero spots, and half of your Koji Clear lemon. Mix it thoroughly, and you can use a teaspoon. Yes, you can use a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Add a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix it thoroughly. So it's going to give you a flawless face, especially if you're having spot on your face. It's going to give you a flawless face. Please, I beg you in the name of God, somebody should just try this recipe. Okay, somebody should try this recipe and come and leave your comments below my comment section. And please, this face cream, use it at night. Okay, use it at night. Don't use it at daytime and you put yourself under the sun, please. Okay, but those in Europe, you can use this at daytime during the winter. Okay, we also have summer here in Europe, and our summer here itself now die. Okay, so those in Europe here, you can use it during the winter time. In the morning, no problem, but if it is summertime, you use it at night. Finish taking your bath. If you don't feel like taking your bath at night, you wash your face with your soap, then you use your face toner. You just take your face cream, apply it on your face, and you go to bed and sleep. Just do this 1 week, 2 weeks, and go shock you. It will shock you, like, wow, this is a best simple recipe for you. Not jumping from one seller to another. So if you're dark in complexion, this is going to brighten up your face. So unless you want to go for brightening, and if you're light in complexion, it's just going to still lighten you and keep your lightening intact, but spotless and smooth is going to give you all that. Okay, so if you're dark complexion, please, this recipe is going to lighten up your face, unless maybe you want to use a lightening body lotion so that your face and your body will match together, because you cannot be dark and use this recipe on your face while your face is becoming light and bright, while your body will still be dark. Okay, so it's going to give you Coke and Fanta. But for light skin girls, yes, you can go and use these products. I hope you still remember the recipe, guys. Please, I don't want someone to come and be asking me again, like on the comment section, what is the measurement? I have given you the measurement. 50 ml base cream, half of your Koji Clear cream, half of your the zero spot cream and 1 teaspoon of your vitamin E oil. Mix them together and use it as your night face cream. Okay guys, so thank you so much for this video, and ask your question, add me up on your you can follow me up on Instagram, you can join my training class, a lot to benefit from. Okay, so I'm going to see you all in my other next video. Bye.